Hi there. Here are some tips if you are adventurous and you want to take some risk while riding your super bike, adventure bike, heavy, more powerful. You have to be very protective. Once you are going off-roading, you don't know exactly what kind of road you are going to encounter next moment. So one of my teacher and guide, Mr. Badrov, has these kind of fundamentals, protective gears. You must wear very solid boots so that your legs are protected, and you should wear gloves so that your hands are protected. You should also have knees protective gears, elbows, hips, shoulders and back. Everything should be protected. Dear friends, recently when I was doing some off-roading on not very powerful bike but ordinary bikes, this was having very lean and very thin rear and front tires. So when I was negotiating a turn, I was standing and riding. I have learned the skill from the pros, but this small thin tire slipped and I was on the ground. I dislocated my shoulder. I really felt very sorry about it because I really disgraced the art and science and adventure of riding sports bikes on the difficult terrains. I was not very well protected. My shoulder injury was very painful. It was dislocated. I went to the near clinic. My best friend, Dr. Satnarayana, he's a physician. He suggested I should go to the orthopedic. But as I am an athlete and whole life has been dedicated to sports, I knew that my bones are protected. Everything is fine. Simply some kind of abnormality has occurred. My arms are little not very comfortable, so I did some kind of action and I set my shoulder back. That's why I tell you, my experience will help you. There is no need for standing and riding, there is no need for going for adventures. But if you at all want, because it gives lots of pleasure, you feel free, you feel very thrilled because once you go away from the din and bustle of the cities, the smokes, the pollution, the noise and all, must protect yourself. I am very daredevil. Even when I fell down, I dislocated my shoulder, I set myself right and start doing standing and riding. Don't be timid and coward. Every game has a trick. You must learn those lessons. Protect yourself, protect your interest. Let your adventurous spirit motivate you. Thank you, viewers.